Most people get lead generation tools wrong by assuming all data platforms are equal, but Datanyze offers unique insights for sales and marketing teams. Today, they'll give you an honest review based on my usage experience, so you know what works and what doesn't. Datanyze specializes in technographic data, meaning it identifies the software and technologies companies are using. This is incredibly valuable for targeting leads who might need complementary services or upgrades. Most people get this wrong by relying solely on company size or industry for outreach, but tech stacks reveal actionable opportunities. The interface is intuitive. You can search for companies by technology, location, or size and save leads directly to your CRM. My favorite feature is real-time alerts when a company starts using a new tool. You can reach out immediately. Most people get this wrong by thinking lead lists are static, but timing can make a huge difference. Pricing is tiered, with higher plans offering more detailed data and integration options. While it's not the cheapest platform, the accuracy and depth of information justify the cost if you are actively prospecting. On the downside, Datanyze's free plan is very limited, so testing requires a paid subscription. Additionally, the technographic focus means it's best suited for B2B sales and tech or software-related industries. Most people get this wrong by trying to apply it to unrelated sectors, which can lead to wasted time. In conclusion, Datanyze is a powerful tool for identifying leads based on technology usage and acting quickly with real-time alerts. Most people get lead generation wrong by ignoring technographic insights, but Datanyze makes it actionable and efficient. Subscribe for more honest reviews of sales and marketing tools that actually help you grow your business.